How to delete screenshots on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to delete a screenshot on Android, first of all, let's take a screenshot. So here I've taken a screenshot. Now in order to delete this screenshot, what I simply have to do is go to the gallery option of the device. As I go to the gallery option, you'll be able to see different option over here. So you can just directly tap on the recent photo, which is the screenshot over here. So this is the screenshot that I had taken. So you just have a tap on the picture and then tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, you can just see the options, different options over here. So tap on delete option over here and then tap on delete. And there you go. You have deleted a screenshot on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.